Hey friends, if you wish to fix high ping spikes and latency, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the most probable solutions, the best solutions. So before anything else, click on this system tray here and make sure that you connect it to the 5G network if your router supports it, which most modern routers support. Why? Because it will increase your internet speed and decrease latency. The next one is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. This is also very important. If you have an Ethernet cable, you can connect using an Ethernet cable. That is the best for gaming. And lastly, I will recommend you to use Google's DNS to reduce ping. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now right click on the Wi-Fi option, select properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. If it's selected at obtain a DNS server address automatically, selected at the second option, which is use the following DNS server addresses. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.